Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about generate function. The purpose of generate function is to, like, if we want to see top 10 or top n products by categories, so we will need to get the top n products by categories in SQL, and then we will see how to get the same result in DAX with the help of generate function. So I need to write one SQL query here. Select. So let me zoom it. Select static from dim product subcategory, for example, and this is sub alias inner join products p on p dot subcategory key is equal to sub dot subcategory key, and then we need to join sales table inner join sales s on s dot product key is equal to p dot product key. So we need some columns here. The first one is the sub dot English product category name. The second one is p dot product name, and the last one is we need the total underscore sales is equal to sum and s dot sales amount. That's it. And then I need these two columns in group by, and here you can see, let me execute it, and we can see English product subcategory name, product name, and their corresponding sales. So first I need to wrap it in a temporary view. So with v underscore raw, you can write any name as, and then we need to close it, and here we have to select static from v underscore raw, and the first column is the English product subcategory name, the second is the product name, and the third one is the total sales, and the fourth one we have to use a row number function here. So let me write here row num is equal to row underscore number function over, and we need to use partition by English products subcategory name. Just need to copy and paste, and let me write it and then I will explain. Order by total underscore sales. So here you can see the complete query. This is the complete query. Let me move it a little bit down, and here you can see this is the complete query, and let me execute. And here you can see we are getting these results. So this is, we are getting different English product categories and their corresponding sales here. So this whole result set is partitioned by English product category name, and then we are getting different row number based on the total sale. So we need to write here total sale descending, and now you can see in the bottles and cages we are getting the highest total sale. The row number is 1, then the other, the lowest is 2, and then 3, and you can see more here. We are getting 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these row numbers has been allotted to the English product category and subcategory based on the total sales. So we need to wrap this whole set into another temporary view like v underscore final as, and then we need to close it, and here we have to write select static from v underscore final, and we need only the top 3 categories, top 3 products per category. So what we can do is we can write here a where row num is less than equal to 3, and now if I execute, and here you can see we are getting everything like this is single product subcategory, and we don't have many products under this category, and then we see bottle and cages, and here you can see total sales. So this is the highest sales, and this is lowest, and then again the lowest. So everywhere 1 to 3 on the basis of row number we have restricted the whole result up to 3 products. So this is how we can achieve this result in SQL. We have to achieve the same result in DAX. So let's move to the DAX Studio. So we have to write here evaluate. Let me zoom it, and there is a function named first of all we have to write here because we need to get top 3 results. We will use the same function like TopN, and it takes 3. The first parameter is how many records we need. It's a top 3, and then we need to write here one table. That is, we can write in the previous video we have used summarize, and here we can use, for example, add columns. So it's up to you, and this table name is, we have to use only one column from the product table, but we have to use here values function, and the table name is products name, and then the new column is, we have to add total sales, and it will be sum sales amount. So we have added one table here, and then we need to use the third parameter for the TopN function. This is the new total sales. Just we need to close it, and here we have to execute this result, and here you can see we are getting 295 rows. We are getting so many rows because we have to use here calculate for the context transition. Calculate, and then we need to close it. Now we need to execute it, and here you can see we just got three results. So this is one table, and we need to get products by category. We have to use one function in DAX, that is generate. So generate needs two tables. The first one we have to provide here. It is dim product subcategory and the category name, and we need to wrap this whole column into values function so that it should return one column table. And that's it. So now we have two tables. One is this one and the other one is values. We need to close it and execute. And here you can see we are getting bikes. Let me sort it via we have to use here. Okay, for example, if I sort here like this, so I'm getting so many records which don't have total sales. So we need to use one filter here, filter function, and the filter needs this whole table. And the second expression will be we have to use total sales is greater than 0. Need to close it and let's execute it again. And here you can see we are getting 38 rows, and there are some columns here, as we have seen in the here in the SQL. We are getting like bottle and cages. We are getting the first is 21, 20 and 15, and the same result we can see here 21, 20 and 15. So we need to use order by English product name in ascending order, and total sales descending order. So let me execute again, and here you can see we are getting the same result. So here you can see we have provided two columns, two tables to generate function. One is the product subcategory and the other is the TopN function. So for each row of dim product subcategory, this whole table is evaluated.